Hey friends, it's Grace. Hey, you guys are getting the unmakeup part of me here. I picked up a little touch of food poisoning yesterday, and it was a not fun evening or night. So I'm still a little peaked. And so I was like, I'm gonna be real and come here and talk to you about something I'm really excited about and trust that you're good with me. So anyway, I want to say congratulations on a great year that we just finished. I'm super excited about and proud of the way that we lived and worked this year. Super proud of it. And can I just tell you that I hope you had a wonderful holiday this last weekend. Actually took some time, enjoyed yourself. I know I did, and I just think that stuff is important. So, what I want to talk about today, two different things. Number one, I just want to remind you that this Saturday is our year-end celebration. It's from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. It'll include lunch, and afterwards, which when I say lunch, it's Chipotle, okay? Which is just always good. I don't care who you are, so good. And then after that, anybody who would like to is welcome to come and do a little thrifting at Primrose Boutique, which is a consignment owned by our very own Sam Walzer. And so if you'd like to come, you'll just want to let me know right away. And if you haven't gotten registered slash paid, I can attach the link to this as well. Um, so I wanted to tell you also about what you're going to hear a lot moving forward because it's something that I'm just super passionate about and feel very called to, and that is um, I I want to be a leader always that is rooted in love for other people and that operates her business and works with other women with their businesses from a place of love. I want Mary Kay to be um, a place for women to take up space, to be seen and heard, and to learn how to trust their gut and use their voice and know their voice, and to give them greater opportunities and skills. Okay, that is how I've built this the whole time. And so, really, you guys, it's not that much is changing outside of, um, I've always probably looked, because of the way I work, like a little different from how some people operate their businesses. We're just going to be proud of it now. I'm just going to be proud of it. And I'm actually going to I feel strongly that it is our calling in this new, I would say first quarter even, to recreate, and I don't even think it's recreating, I think it's restoring our business to how it was always made to be and figuring out what that looks like in today's world with today's woman. And so I want us to create the Mary Kay experience for 2026, 2027. And that means for uh, established consultants who have been building their business, for new consultants who are coming in because they want to be part of this group and have this opportunity. And number three, what will the experience be for women who want to build a bigger business here so that it contributes more financially or so that they're in a greater leadership role? And so, all of that to say, I'm stoked. I feel like I've had some of the best conversations, and especially in the last 10 days, I've gotten to sit down with a lot of you one on one. I've done popsicles with kids at the park with consultants and their kids at the park. Um, Lots of breakfasts, lots of lunch, lots of Diet Coke dates, coffee dates where I drink iced tea. It's been so good, and it's the way I love to work, and I'm excited about it. And so all of that to say, I'm opening that up to the entire unit. I would love to see any of you. So if you haven't had some kind of an in-person connection with me, that's what I'd love to spend July doing is connecting with you. And I want us to flesh out more of what rooted in love looks like and how we like project that into today's world and experience with Mary Kay. So, if you haven't set up a time to connect with me on FaceTime or Zoom, I would love to do that. If you want to meet in person with me, I would love for us to connect. Just let me know and I'll send you out some dates and times and places. And last but not least, you guys, one final kind of interesting thing is I got this really weird message from the company, like, I don't know, whatever that the second was, maybe. And basically and essentially, it said, congratulations on finishing quarter one of car qualifications. And I was like, I've been getting all of these messages about how we were in qualification from January to March and then March or April to June. Well, apparently their system was a little bit off. And I'll be honest, it's also on me because um, we just earn cars because this is the level at which we work. So, like, I mean, I track it, but I don't, like, this is just the level at which we work. So it's always a loose tracking, if I would say. Anyway, um, it turns out that our qualification is actually April, May, June, July, August, September. So I was like thinking about that for a minute, and I just want to be really clear. Number one, I really care more about what we're creating and inviting people to be part of it, inviting people to try the product, inviting people to experience the business, and this organization, this group that we have. I don't really it's not so much about a vehicle to me. The thought that I had though was like, maybe this is for a reason. Like, maybe, I don't know, maybe this is supposed to be part of it in some way. And so I was looking at the numbers, and we really have three options. We can do another quarter just like we've been doing, and we can, I mean, it sounds bad, but walk into the equinox. Great. Um, and then the second option is that we could, work differently and at a different level and have um, do a Cadillac quarter. In which case we could, um, you know, then take one more quarter and finish the Cadillac by Christmas. And here's what I want to say. I'm down for any of it. I want to know what excites you. And if car doesn't excite you, then at the end of the day, no matter what, I want us to focus on who we're becoming, what we're building, and being who we are and proud to be who we are. That's it. So I would love your feedback. Maybe that's something we could talk about on a quick connect call. I'm posting my schedule to you here, and then maybe it's in person. In which case, you just say, "Hey, I'd love to see you. Let's do a Diet Coke date, or let bring popsicles over and come visit, or whatever." I love that. So those are the things going on this week. I'm super excited that it's, the new year is off to a start. And I hope you can feel the joy that I have and the excitement, minus the food poisoning. And that you'll just come alongside me with it.